Hi students, and welcome to week 7 in your online general psychology course. This week we are covering chapter 5, which is on the states of consciousness. This is usually a favorite chapter of many students because not only do we learn about the stages of sleep, you'll learn about dreams and then also other issues that face different levels of consciousness, such as drug interactivity and hypnosis. So it's full of very interesting topics and hopefully full of information that will help you to improve your sleep or sleep quality if that is something that you struggle with. So let's take a look at this week's module. You have your narrated PowerPoint slides. This week you will have 4 Connect assignments. One is on drug interactivity, one on stages of sleep, a newsflash assignment over daylight savings time, and here we are in the spring. We're about to move forward around spring break, so you'll have a hands-on experience with time change here very soon, and then the meaning of dreams. Which is also a Connect assignment, and then your Chapter 5 quiz for the week. So there's no written assignments for this week, so make sure you get these Connect assignments along with your quiz done by March 5th. Have a great week, everybody, and let me know if you have any questions.